How to use step into in Java debugging. Are you curious about how to use the step into feature when debugging Java applications? This powerful tool can make a big difference in your debugging process. Let's break down how it works and how you can use it effectively. Step into is a key command in Java debugging that allows you to execute your program line by line. When you encounter a method call, using step into lets you dive right into that method. This way, you can see exactly what happens inside it, including how variables change. To get started, first, you need to set up a debugging session in your integrated development environment, also known as an integrated development environment. You can use popular options like IntelliJ IDEA, Visual Studio Code, or Eclipse. Begin by placing a breakpoint at a line of code that interests you. This tells the debugger where to pause the program. Once your program hits that breakpoint, it will stop running. At this point, you can use the step into command. In many environments, this command is linked to the F7 key or can be found as a button in the debugger toolbar. If the line you are on contains a method call, the debugger will take you inside that method. It will pause at the first line of the method, allowing you to observe how the code operates. This is where you can check the method's internal logic and see the values of variables at that moment. As you continue to use step into, you can move through the code inside methods line by line. This is particularly useful for identifying where bugs or unexpected behaviors occur. If you find that you do not want to enter a method but just want to execute it, you can use the step over command instead. If you want to finish the current method and return to the calling method, the step out command is what you need. This command allows you to exit the current method and go back to where it was called. Using step into can help you trace the flow of execution through multiple method calls. It is especially helpful when you need to inspect how data changes inside methods. This way, you can pinpoint the exact location of logic errors or exceptions. By mastering the step into command, you gain better control over your program's execution. This allows you to diagnose problems at a more detailed level, making it easier to fix programming bugs effectively. So, next time you are debugging a Java application, remember to take advantage of step into to enhance your debugging experience.